to another PLS Minute. I'll be your host today, Nate Clark. Today we're going to take a closer look at Orion lighting and some of the retrofits they offer. Let's get started. Orion is headquartered in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, where they design, test, and fabricate products. They offer a wide range of interior and exterior products using the industry-leading components to produce the most energy-efficient solutions. With experience on large projects and through listening to contractors, Orion can provide environmentally and contractor-friendly job packaging, as well as quicker installation options. It might just seem like cardboard boxes, but their innovative bulk packaging design allows for quick access and less waste, which makes the installer more efficient. The platform connector allows the installer to plug in the fixture rather than having to hardwire each individual unit in the field. The end user gets the benefit of a code-compliant disconnect if maintenance is required. Orion offers great door kit solutions for existing troffers. The LDRE2 and LDRE-S2 are DLC premium and can replace your existing 1x4, 2x2, or 2x4 fluorescent troffers, producing up to 8,000 lumens. These units save you the hassle of removing the existing fixture and getting up inside the ceiling, which makes retrofitting a breeze. With up to 161 lumens per watt and an L70 of 179,000 hours, these retrofits are the best solutions for troffers. They also offer multiple control and accessory options like battery backup and dial dimmer. Let's watch how quick and easy it is. Orion offers a great troffer solution that helps prevent the growth of bacteria and other pathogens. The LDRM-H1 is a multi-purpose troffer retrofit designed to upgrade existing troffers in healthcare and other facilities. This unit's technology creates an inhospitable environment for the growth of a variety of bacteria. The antimicrobial LED spectrum allows you to use 4000K during personnel use to get the function of the troffer while reducing bacteria. Then you can switch over to the enhanced antimicrobial mode when the space is unoccupied, which emits a higher dosage of Vital VO's antimicrobial wavelength to maximize antimicrobial protection. To add another layer for prevention, the LDRM-H1 is painted with the Britex, a white, highly reflective antimicrobial coating to suppress growth of bacteria on the surface of the fixture. These units are available in 2x2 and 2x4 up to 8,000 lumens and universal voltage. They also offer controls and other accessories. Orion also offers linear retrofit solutions. The SFHR1 strip retrofit is a great option when you can't or don't want to remove the existing strip's pan. This unit is both DLC and damp rated. It comes in 3-foot, 4-foot, or 8-foot designs. You can choose from 3500K, 4000K, or 5000K to other temperatures. This unit allows you to save up to 75% energy reduction when replacing fluorescents. Battery backup, wire guard, and other options are available, along with multiple control options. Another linear retrofit from Orion is the LMAR1. The LMAR1 is designed to retrofit existing linear fluorescent high bays and low bays. It is DLC premium and damp listed. This unit comes in 9,000 lumens in 4-foot and 18,000 lumens in 8-foot, and up to 174 lumens per watt. It has 3 times the L70 as other products in its category. This unit is available in 122/77 volt or 480 volt. With its frosted acrylic lens option, it will give you the light you want without the glare. You can choose the field installed sensor option that blends right into the lens for even more control and energy savings. Today, we took a closer look into Orion and their troffer and linear retrofits. The website links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.